Looking for stunning aerial footage has never been easier. The best drone for vlogging combines compact design, smooth stabilization, and high-quality cameras, allowing creators to capture cinematic shots effortlessly. Elevate your content and take your videos to new heights today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Vlogging Drone. The DJI Mini 4K Vlogging Drone is an excellent choice for content creators seeking a compact yet powerful aerial camera solution. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone does not require FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use, making it highly accessible for both beginners and seasoned flyers. Its 4K Ultra HD camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal ensures cinematic quality footage with incredible stability, whether you are capturing sunrises, sunsets, or even night scenes. The drone's brushless motors provide enough thrust to resist winds of up to 38 kph, allowing for reliable flights at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. Battery anxiety is a thing of the past with the availability of 1, 2, or 3 battery sets, offering flight times ranging from 31 to 93 minutes. This extended flight capability ensures uninterrupted creation, whether you are shooting short vlogs or lengthy scenic sequences. DJI Mini 4K is beginner-friendly, featuring one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering. The included in-app learning resources make it easy to master its flight functions quickly. One of the standout features of this drone is the intelligent quick shots, which allow for cinematic maneuvers like helix, droney, rocket, circle, and boomerang with just a few taps. These automated flight patterns simplify capturing professional-level content and provide an inspiration boost to any creator. Despite the removal of the DJI Fly app from Google Play, the official DJI website provides the latest version to ensure a smooth and enhanced user experience. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Vlogging Drone. The DJI Mini 3 Vlogging Drone is a compact powerhouse designed for vloggers who prioritize portability without compromising image quality. Like its predecessor, it weighs under 249 grams, so FAA registration and remote ID are not required for recreational flying. Its 4K UHD camera with dual native ISO fusion delivers stunning footage with excellent detail in both bright and low-light environments, making it perfect for day or night shooting. One of the most impressive features is the true vertical shooting mode, which allows creators to capture tall landmarks or scenic waterfalls instantly formatted for social media sharing on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. With an extended flight time of up to 51 minutes using the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus and a Fly More combo providing up to 114 minutes, this drone ensures long, uninterrupted shooting sessions. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal and level 5 wind resistance keep your shots stable even in challenging conditions, while brushless motors allow takeoffs at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. Creative features like quick shots and panorama make advanced shots accessible with just a few taps, allowing anyone to produce cinematic content effortlessly. A standout aspect is its 10-kilometer max HD video transmission, which provides anti-interference capabilities for exploring wide open spaces without losing signal. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Vlogging Drone combines ease of use, exceptional image quality, and versatile shooting modes, making it ideal for vloggers, travelers, and hobbyists alike. Its compact form factor and intelligent features ensure you can capture professional-grade footage anywhere. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2 Vlogging Drone. The Potensic Atom 2 Vlogging Drone is a feature-packed compact drone designed for vloggers seeking a professional-level shooting experience in a lightweight portable package. With a 1.5-inch Sony CMOS sensor, it captures 48-megapixel photos and records 4K HD video at 30 FPS with remarkable stability, supported by a 3-axis gimbal. The drone's f1.8 aperture and 4-in-1 pixel technology enhance low-light performance, ensuring that both color and detail remain crisp in various lighting conditions. Weighing under 249 grams, the Atom 2 requires no FAA or remote ID registration, allowing users to take it anywhere without regulatory hassle. Its upgraded remote control with a directional antenna and PicSync 4.0 technology provides a control range of up to 10 kilometers and reliable live transmission at 1080p/30 FPS. The drone also features AI tracking and night shot modes, offering intelligent object tracking and stunning low-light video capture, ideal for dynamic vlogging scenarios. Photo and video options include vertical shooting, 4x digital zoom, panoramic shots, dolly zoom, slow motion, and quick shots, giving creators flexibility to produce engaging content for social media. Beginner-friendly flight features like GNSS positioning, customizable home points, auto takeoff and landing, cruise control, and smart return to home ensure safety and ease of use for novices.
Number 4. DJI Neo Vlogging Drone. The DJI Neo Vlogging Drone is designed for vloggers seeking an ultra-portable, lightweight drone with professional features. At just 135 grams, it may weigh even less than a smartphone and does not require FAA registration or remote ID, making it ideal for spontaneous outdoor adventures. Its compact size allows it to fit into a backpack or even a pocket, offering grab-and-go convenience for vloggers constantly on the move. The drone features palm takeoff and landing, enabling effortless controller-free operation, making it especially suitable for family outings, hiking trips, and casual filming sessions. Neo is equipped with subject tracking and 8 quick shots modes, allowing creators to capture cinematic footage without needing advanced piloting skills. The drone supports multiple control options, including voice commands, mobile app navigation, or traditional remote control, providing flexibility for different filming scenarios. Its 4K ultra-stabilized camera ensures smooth, high-quality footage even in windy conditions, thanks to DJI stabilization technology and Level 4 wind resistance. The Neo's intuitive design, combined with advanced stabilization and creative shooting features, makes it an excellent choice for vloggers, travelers, and hobbyists who want professional results in a compact package. Despite its small size, it provides powerful imaging capabilities, intelligent flight modes, and safe, beginner-friendly operation. Number 5. V11 Pro Vlogging Drone. The V11 Pro Vlogging Drone is a high-performance drone designed to meet the demands of serious vloggers and content creators. Equipped with an advanced 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, it can capture stunning 8K images and record smooth 4K 30 FPS video directly to an SD card, ensuring detailed, vibrant footage for both photography and videography. The drone supports digital 5x zoom, providing the ability to capture distant subjects without sacrificing clarity, perfect for travel vlogs and outdoor adventures. V11 Pro also offers a reliable 6-kilometer FPV digital transmission system, which allows creators to maintain a stable, real-time view of their shots and confidently explore larger areas. The package includes 2 batteries, delivering a combined flight time of up to 80 minutes, and supports fast PD 3.0 charging to minimize downtime. The 3-axis gimbal with EIS anti-shake system guarantees stable footage in various shooting conditions, while intelligent flight modes via the accompanying app make complex maneuvers easy for beginners and pros alike. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.